Hello and welcome to another MDAR video where today we're going to be testing the LED Pro lamp against the Velbus VMBDMI-R. So this one is the Pro version of their range. They do some without, and you can see the Pro version has this external connection and it also has a 2-pin disconnect, so you can pull it up the ceiling and leave all the mains behind. Always a step in the right direction, I feel. Very importantly, today's test we are doing just one lamp on its own as opposed to batches of them. Theory being, if one lamp works with a dimmer, then a batches of them will work. So as you can see from the indicator, the dimmer's off, the lamp is off. Let's go from nothing to full, and there you go, dims up nicely. This is a 6.4 watt lamp. So let's take it back down again. There we go. This is nothing to 50%. And they can take it up a notch at a time. And they can take it down. And as you can see by the screenshot, you can see when I'm pressing the buttons in the Velbus thing. And going off. So there we go. I would say that is a pass. So thank you very much for joining us for this test today. Nice, short and sharp. I'll be back in a moment and we'll have multiples of these lamps and we'll see how they behave. So that was quick and easy. Let's fire up 3 of these lamps. I have them on the shelf ready to go. So just confirm, these are the Prism Pro LEDs. Not to be confused, it turns out, with the Prism LED FRDs, and we'll get those up in just a moment as a separate video, and if there's time I might even put 2 together to show the difference. But I think it should be fairly clear to see that right here, right now, we've got 3 of these lamps on and there's absolutely nothing happening with the dimmer off. Let's take it from nothing to full, and yet they all come on about roughly the same time, which is always nice. Let's take them to 50%. They're dimming down quite nicely. And take them off. And I can manually bring them up a bit at a time. So we'll have a look at the gauge and see what that is. 15%. So that's at 15%. Let's bring it up a bit more. That's quite even. They're all responding reasonably well. Actually, very well. Let's be fair to them. Yes, they're responding very well. And then we take them out nicely and they'll go down together. So I would say that's a pass. That's the Prism Pro LED mains replacement downlighters, and they are the Pro version, so be careful when you're buying them. You make sure the Pro ones, not the FRDs, which we'll be testing in a moment. And you can tell because they've got the outboard mains connection and they've got what looks like a JST 2-pin connector for separating the downlighter from the mains connection. So that's a pass. Go and buy yourself bucket loads of the Prism Pro LEDs for use with the Velbus VMBDMI-R 400 watt leading edge dimmer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be alerted to all new videos that we have coming up. I'm going to be continuing this series with other lamps as they come along, and we're going to be looking more into how the Velbus stuff's configured and how you can make it work for your business. There's also new interesting news we'll be revealing, but a bit about that later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.